Guys, so not too long ago I created a video about 10 functional signs for children with autism or were nonverbal or preferred to use sign language to communicate. And you guys loved that video so much that I thought I would create another one for you with 10 more functional signs for autism, nonverbal, or children who prefer to communicate using sign language. Now, along the lines of this topic, I am offering a webinar for my Sign Tribe members, or rather a workshop for my Sign Tribe members on June 27th at 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. And at this particular workshop, we will be discussing signs related to special needs parenting, teaching, or caregiving. And during that workshop, we can discuss anything that you guys would like, as well as signs that you want to learn that are applicable to you and your daily life with your child. So here it goes, and we have 10 more functional signs for you. The first one is play. Make 2 Ys and twist your wrist. Play. Stop. My left hand is flat, my right hand, I have a closed 5, and I'm just going to chop on my hand like this. Stop. Stop. Go. So the word go has very many signs, but the one that you can use for going somewhere is this. Go. Going. So use your index fingers sticking up, point them toward each other, and you're going to alternate, starting with the dominant. My hand is the right hand, going first. Go. Go. Rest. So your hands will be closed 5s, cross them. My right hand is on top. Rest. Rest. Technology. So my thinking about the sign technology, I know that a lot of your kiddos like to use iPhones, iPads, laptops, computers. So I just thought technology would be a good one to let you guys know about, so that you could use it just in general in your household if you need to. So technology. My left hand is flat like this. Right hand, use your middle finger and touch the back, kind of like the back or the side of your hand. Technology. Technology. Look. Look. So use your right hand with make a 2 or a V, point to your eyes and then come out. Look. Look at me. Look at her or him. Look. Schedule. You might want to say look at your schedule. So left hand have a 5, right hand make a 4, and you're going to go down, turn your hand over, and then come out, kind of like a grid, okay? Down and over. Schedule. And I know a lot of times we have kids that just really enjoy following a schedule or routine, so having this sign like look at your schedule might help you when trying to communicate with them, or if they want to communicate with you something about their schedule. Quiet. Right hand closest to me, left hand here, you're kind of just making an X, like no. So you're going to have your hands like this and then come out and open. Quiet. Quiet. And you can always do this shh as well. Quiet. Mom and dad are the last 2. Make a 5, mom and dad. Mom and dad. So again, play, stop, go, rest, technology, look, schedule, quiet, mom and dad. So I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And let me guys know what other videos that you would like to see related to special needs. Thank you so much for watching.